Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily navigate through the settings using your button. So, in the back of your monitor, in the bottom right corner, you can see a button. So let's click this button. Now, as you can see, we have some few things. Here, and if we click this button we can enter settings, as you can see. By moving the button down you can go down, moving the button up we can go up, to the right we can enter these options, and to the left we can escape these options. We can click the button once again, and as you can see here, if we click down we can see the information of what monitor. If we do this once again, here we can change the inputs. Here we can change the color things, and once again to the left here, brightness, as you can see. So we have up, down, left, right, click. As you can see, it's that easy. Here you have these controls too, if you are lost. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.